Hello, this is Professor Murry Gans from Eastfield College in Mesquite, Texas. In a previous video, I told you that insects are the most successful animals on the planet. But then I thought, how successful are they? So I did a Google search to see just how many insects were on the planet, and I came up with a number that just really blew me away. The number of insects on the planet is 10 quintillion. That's a 10 followed by 18 zeros. This is a number so large that I can't even imagine it. So let's compare it to some numbers that we can imagine. The United States population in February 2015 was 320,416,845 people. Nowhere near as big as number as 10 quintillion. The world population was 7,226,993,950 people. Now, that's nowhere near as large as 10 quintillion, but what that means is that there are 30 billion insects for every single person in the United States of America, and there are 1.3 billion insects for every person in the world. That is a lot of bugs. So I wanted to come up with some way to physically show you the number of insects. So I thought, how about a stack of paper? The thickness of a single sheet of paper, that could represent one insect. 10 sheets of paper, 10 insects. 500 sheets of paper, 500 insects. So now the question is, just how tall will our stack of paper have to be to equal 10 quintillion insects? How about a stack of paper as tall as I am? I'm 5 feet 8 inches tall. Well, that stack will contain 17,200 sheets of paper. We need something taller. How about the Empire State Building, including the mast on the top? That would be 1,454 feet. That's not nearly tall enough. Let's do something tall. How about the altitude at which jets fly, which is 7 miles? Nope, we need more. How about the distance from the Earth to the Moon? That is 238,855 miles. That's nowhere near a tall enough stack of paper. What we would need is a stack of paper that's stretched all the way to Pluto and back 86 times. This is a number that still is so big, it's even hard to imagine. So let's think about it a different way. Let's think about a spaceship. Spaceships are fast. The New Horizons space probe, which is going to visit Pluto in July of 2015, is the fastest spacecraft to ever leave Earth. It's traveling at 36,373 miles per hour. How long would it take the New Horizons space probe to reach the end of our stack of paper? This is our stack of paper containing 10 quintillion sheets. It would take it 1,500 years. If the New Horizons spacecraft were launched today, it would arrive at the top of our stack of paper in the year 3515. Oh my gosh. Again, it's hard to imagine. But one thing's for sure, that's a lot of bugs.